Hi guys! Welcome to my channel. I'm Riku from Japan. This channel is all about Go, which is an exciting and easy to start board game. Today, we finally tried an actual good game using the internet. Make a use of what you've learned and above all, have fun! Before I start playing, I would like to introduce the website we used today to play Go online, COSUMI. COSUMI is a free browser-based Go website where you can play Go with computers of different levels. You can choose not only the level of your opponent, but also the size of the board. Therefore, everyone can enjoy Go games according to their capability. Additionally, I like COSUMI because it is simple and easy to use. Now, let's start playing Go on COSUMI. This is the first look when you open the website. You can choose the size of the board here. I'll pick 9 as I want to play on a 9x9 board. Then, you can select the level of the opponent. 0 is the weakest and 5 is the strongest. Today, let's choose 0. Now, it is ready to start the game. The player always plays black and the computer plays white. For the opening, I put on the third line from the edge, following the basic principle. Then, the computer put a stone on the center. I play here because I want to have influence on the right side. The computer connected its stones, so I place a stone here to protect the black stone I played in the previous turn. As white extended, I do the same. Now, it looks like white has an advantage having a wall in the center, but I'm planning to have territory on the left up, so I keep connecting stones as white did. Then, white extended to the up. This time, I stopped this by putting a stone on the up of the white stones, because I want to make a territory on the left up. The right up is protected by the black stone placed before. Then, white extends to the left and I block this. Again, white connected and I block it. Now, white played a stone on the bottom center. To block this, I put a stone here. Then, white placed on the left up, so I block this again. White fixed the boundary line and I do too. Don't forget this move to avoid white from attacking left up. Now, white placed a stone center bottom, and I stop this as always. Then, white fixed the boundary line and I do the same. Now, white began invading the center area. I block the direction white wants to attack. Then, white starts fixing the boundary line of the left up. I play a stone here because if I put it on the corner, that stone will be under Atari and white will capture it. So be careful of boundary lines on the corner. White also didn't play on the corner because the stone would be under Atari. Now the corner became dame. So before filling dame, look for a point I need to play to secure the territory. I worried about the boundary line right up as it is diagonal, but it was fine. Because even white put a stone, I can capture it. So I filled dame. Then the opponent passed its turn and I do the same. Now the game is over. When you choose level 0, komi won't be added, so I won 8 points. I'm glad that I was able to create the territory I planned in the beginning. Did you understand how to play good games using COSUMI? I hope you enjoyed it. Today I selected level 0, but try higher level when you become able to win the level. COSUMI is a very strong computer. If you struggle to win the level 0, review previous videos about Go strategies again. There is also a review feature in COSUMI. It tells you the mistake moves you made. Today we tried an online Go game using COSUMI. You can always enjoy Go without human opponents. From the next video, I'll start explaining the strategies of official 19x19 board games. Don't worry, the board becomes bigger, but the basics remain the same. See you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and be sure to hit the subscribe button before you go. See you in my next video.